Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm very excited to take you through a brand new boat from Sea Ray. It's the 370 Sundancer Outboard. We've got a 2023 model here in stock and available. Starting off the boat's profile, gorgeous lines on this boat. This hull color is the Kingfisher Teal that has a black gel coat or black gel stripe. Really accents the hull side windows nicely. White exterior hardtop. This option comes in a coupe and a non-coupe version. This boat here is the non-coupe, but you can still fully enclose the side windshields with isinglass. Stainless steel insert in the rub rail. This boat is powered with triple 300 horsepower V8 Verados from Mercury with joystick. Plenty of power for this boat. This boat reaches right around 50 to 51 miles per hour. Planes very quickly as well. Now we'll climb aboard and we'll see the inside. So here on the transom of Sea Ray 370 Sundancer, very inviting transom, full walkthrough all the way across, plenty of real estate to easily and safely navigate from one side to the other. We have swim platforms on either side with a reboarding ladder to the starboard side. We've also got fresh water as you're coming in, both hot and cold water. Shore power connections are beneath this hatch. There is a storage locker here just for general storage. With those engines, you've got the top cowling service door, so you can easily remove this cowling, check and change your oil without even having to do so. But great, very owner-operator friendly with the Mercury Verados. In addition to the cockpit seating you have here, this backrest also drops down to form a nice sunbed. And then you can even raise this backrest up, and you can create an aft-facing seat. It's double wide, plenty of room for two. Sit facing the water, you're on an elevated position, so if you've got kids, you're anchored out and you've got kids in the water, you can see them to make sure they're safe. But it's a really nice feature and unique access to the water for this boat. Big, heavy hardware, very smooth to operate as well. We've also got, panning up to the hardtop, we've got the extended shade that's powered, so this whole aft area can be shaded. Moving inside, very comfortable cockpit seating area, very high backrest, molded backrest. Got cup holders on both sides, stanchion for a flagpole. There are standard and optional tables that go on either side in the cockpit that can also be lowered with a filler cushion option to be thrown over top of those. Those stow inside the floor hatch there in the bilge. There's the stanchions for the tables and just general storage. So transitioning over to the starboard side of the cockpit, we have similar storage beneath the seat for the cockpit tables as well. On the floor, we have the infinity woven vinyl material compared to the transom, which has the C-deck foam flooring. So this snaps in and out of place. It's very easy to keep clean, roll up, get out of the way. Also very comfortable on your feet. Down in the bilge area, very accommodating bilge. So this boat does have Seakeeper. We've got a generator. It's mounted on the port side. And then storage for the cockpit and bow tables, along with all of your other systems. But very easy to maneuver and navigate down there. Great access for technicians as well if you're doing any service work on the boat. Coming over here to the port side, we've got the wet bar with the Corian countertop, Kenyon electric grill, wet bar sink, pull out refrigerator drawer here, lockable drawer storage, and you've got a wastebasket. Cup holders along the back behind the countertop. Coming over here to the starboard side, we do have an insert for a television in the cockpit, so you have a great social zone in this area. A lot of great natural light with the sunroof built into the hardtop as well. Coming further forward and moving over to the helm. Twin 16-inch screens from Simrad. Steering wheel is on a tilt wheel. Touchscreen unit for the Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Of course, digital throttle and shift with the Mercury binnacle that includes active trim built in. We've got our joystick system here that has Skyhook and autopilot built in. Dynamic running surface for the trim tabs, the auto trim tabs. And we've also got a remote that can control the GPS screen, so we don't have to lean forward and do everything from back here. Double wide seat, two locations for footrest with non-skid. So whether you're seated or you're standing, it's a very comfortable position to operate the boat in. There's cup holders down below, speakers, LED lighting. There is air conditioning both down below and above deck, so you can climate control the cockpit. Same thing with all the snap-in isinglass or zip-in isinglass that comes standard. Rotating over to the port side, the observer seat is set up similarly, where you've got a double wide, nice high backrest, flip-up bolster, whether you're seated or you're standing. There's also this footrest here. It's very convenient and comfortable. Cup holders, charging port, stainless steel grab handle for safety. So very well laid out, well thought of, and well designed boat from Sea Ray. We'll go down to the cabin before we head to the bow. Cabin door slides open. So what you'll immediately notice is just how much space and headroom is in this boat on this 37. We've got the settee here to the port side. Very comfortable cushions. Distribution panel is beneath this backrest, and then you have general storage behind these two. We have 110 outlet, air conditioning controls, the remote to power the bed. So this settee area actually converts into your forward berth, and it's all done automatically. Very large, oversized bed. Comes with fitted sheets as well. Got a closet behind this door. Television is mounted there. Little storage area to keep remotes and things like that from getting lost. Coming over here to the galley. Again, 110 volt power. Corian countertop. Deep vessel sink. Stainless steel sink. Microwave. Large fridge. So transitioning over to the head area, very large head on this boat with nice accents as well. Tile along the backsplash, skylight, tile on the floor as well. And then just plenty of headroom as you maneuver around, whether you're seated or standing. Walk-in shower also with a shower wall and then a closable door. Again, designated bench seat. So you can sit or you can stand, depending on how tall you are. Full-size mirror along the door as well. So just a really nice setup on this boat. And now panning over to the aft cabin. Very spacious aft quarters on this boat. Plenty of headroom when you're seated upright. There is a fold-away television on the starboard side. We've also got power outlets, 12-volt outlets. We got a unit for the stereo sound system. Over here to the port side, we've got really deep storage. So you can put a lot of items down in here, folded linens. More closet style storage there. But really nice space area, especially if you've got younger kids. A lot of room back here as well, even mirrors behind. So now we'll head back up and we'll go to the bow. So huge windshield on the 370 Sundancer, ventilated hatch above as well, but really great access up to the bow. So you've got a really heavy duty windshield door. You'll notice that when it's in the open position, it opens inward, so you're not going to have any issues with wind blowing it open, and then it locks into place in either location. When we're up right here, we've got nice storage along the port side, for just general items. Put dock lines in there. And folding this back down, make our way to the bow. Slight increase as you walk up front, but no steps. And then really inviting space up front. You put a ton of people up here. Another area for a bow table. These backrests have armrests. Nice high backrest. Cup holders, speakers, charging ports, stereo remote. And then this cushion actually folds upright to create another backrest, which allows you to be closer to people sitting here. So you can, if you've got that bow table in place, you can be closer to it instead of being seated all the way back here. Likewise, you can also throw a filler cushion on top of that table. We've also got stanchions or receivers for the stanchions for the bow shade. That is a manual setup. Windlass anchor controls up front here, wash down in addition to the controls that you have at the helm. And we've also got a spotlight. So that is a walkthrough of Sea Ray's 370 Sundancer located here at MarineMax Charleston. We are at 142 Sportsman Island Drive off Highway 526. Take exit 23A, right off the highway where the big yellow building, you can't miss us. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. And again, I'm Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.